Hi, today for the XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And by the same way, we can add here more applications. Just hold and drag it to the folder. If you want to rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the new one, for example, the apps. So if you want to move this folder here on the screen or between the screens, so just to create a new screens with a folder, we should just hold it and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. And just to remove the application from the folder, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen by the swipe, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.